They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
You still don't want it? There you go. Go commit crimes. No, not that one.
No.
Väldigt stor dröm som har gått till och sen. Robert, kan vi få höra ert stöd?
What the? Chalupa! Chalupa. Oh my god. No, do not come over here, Loki. Do not come over here!
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games, man.
Nessun gatto fa questa cosa qua. Oh!
Why can't you be that calm and nice? Like,
Oh my god, my Shayla. My Shayla.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's just my...
If it isn't the consequences of my own actions, you can't have it back.
Get the fuck out of here. Hey, get the fuck out.
Shit. Stop.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please. No.
Ballerina cappuccina. Me.
Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala, up for the layup. Oh, blocked by James.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, Kitty.
Said evil Kitty.
Bro, look at this.
Okay, he did swallow that one, so this is a, oh wait. Oh God.
You're no better than Dahmer, and you're no better than Dolly Parton. Frosty, are you recording me again? This fucking kid with the camera, I swear, he never...
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
Yo, you want to see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Loki!
Time to do some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da, hope I get...
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.